What are you taking photos of, mate? Fuck, that's a fat Ranger. Yeah, that's so cool. Here come the boys. It's fat. Yeah? Yeah? This is a real question. Can I get a camelback thing into my mouth? No, I cannot. Might do what all the rally riders do and just cut a hole here for it. Cop pulls out, well mate, why is there a big fuck off hole in your helmet? Oh, it's just for me fucking water, mate, gotta stay hydrated.
Sick of that.
We'll do our intro, you ready? This is gonna be really gay. What's going on, guys? It's me with Faggot Head McYeaton. Oh, that was fat! Yeah, tandem wheelies. I like how we just like organise it at the same time without saying anything. So this is Gulgong, a shit town in New South Wales. I'm gonna be fucking, g'day mate John Travels. So this is Gulgong, it's a regional town in New South Wales, Australia. It's not Austria, but it's different. But yeah, nah mate, this is Gulgong. It's a small town, about 7.5 people live here. It's pretty uninhabitable. She doesn't squeak anymore, mate. Oh, no, we're going to the railway station, big fella. We're going to go catch a train. There's oil on the ground. Ah! I nearly died. I actually nearly died. My front tyre lost traction in the gravel. This is the mud. I can't go on the mud. I better go across the grass. Oh, mate's staring at me. Yeah, these guys are staring at us. Oh, I wonder if we can get into the skate park. Go, come in here, come in here, come in here. Do you? Do you? The sale and entry of glass drink container is prohibited at this sporting field. I wonder why. Oh, glass drink containers, you're not allowed to have them, they're scary. It's so wet, I don't want to go up there. It's so sketchy. It's like the biggest drop off, dude. I'm not doing that again. Yeah, dude, have a look at the other side. Yeah. I love when this thing kicks out sideways, dude. I just ripped up their grass. We need to go explore the back streets a little bit, dude. We need to go get some clickbait. What's down here? This looks like a road. This looks like a road. Red dirt, Australia. This is actually the golf course. We're going that way. I kind of want to go up through there, but that's probably really illegal. Let's go to the police station and just ask them where's the most dangerous place in Gulgong. That's a jump. Yeah, it's not very good. Please tell me you got that. Just gonna have a drink quickly.
My RPM's down if you swallow that water.
Here we go on Bunnings. I need to get myself a new tool, mate. Don't know which one, just one of them. That's a fucking fat van, holy shit. Yeah, I just watch you do a fat wheelie. You gonna chuck a right and give the boys a wheelie? Anyway guys, that's the vlog. If you guys liked it, subscribe. If you didn't, then don't subscribe and just like the video, but otherwise like the video. See you guys in the next video.